Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another great recipe for you today. Something that I really love, mushrooms of all sorts. Not so much raw, but I love them when they're cooked. And today we're going to do a prosciutto stuffed mushroom. It's really simple, and I think you're going to like it. We're going to start by melting some butter in a skillet, which is happening as we speak. And to that, I'm going to add my prosciutto. And listen, a little tip for you. Prosciutto can be difficult to chop with a knife on a cutting board. So what I did was I put this in the food processor. So lickety split, prosciutto was all ready. So you might remember that the next time or when you make this recipe. So I'm going to add the prosciutto to my melted butter. So good. Not every day, prosciutto. Prosciutto. Pronounce it properly. Prosciutto. Just stir that in with my butter just a little bit. Got a nice hot skillet going. Now to that, we're going to add some chives. And my mushrooms, take a look here. I pulled the stems off, cleaned them up, chopped up the stems. We waste nothing. These are the stems. In with the prosciutto, the butter, and the chives. And we'll cook this for about 5 minutes. So let's take our first break and I'll come right back. I've cooked my prosciutto, butter, and chive mix over medium heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. And oh boy, does it smell so good. I mean, you could just give me a spoon at this point and I could embarrass myself with just the prosciutto butter. It smells and looks wonderful. Ed, I don't know if you can get a shot of that, but oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so I've reduced the heat to low. And to that, I'm going to add some softened cream cheese, little tarragon, little lemon zest. I'm going to do a tablespoon, sorry everybody, of Dijon, which lends to just about anything from tuna fish to prosciutto. Dijon mustard is your friend. Okay, I'm going to stir all this together. Again, we're on low. And these will be the ingredients that we'll stuff our mushroom caps with. The cream cheese is softened, but it's going to take a few minutes for it to cooperate and melt fully. So let's take one more break and we'll come back when we get everything fully incorporated. Now we're talking. This looks and smells so great. And again, this is a prosciutto cream cheese stuffed mushroom. So we've made our stuffing, our filling here. We're going to fill our mushrooms and we're going to bake them in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. So I've turned everything down to low to get the cream cheese incorporated. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. Everything's going to be nice and warm here, so don't burn your fingers. And if you can see this, this really looks like it looks like the old chipped beef. My mom and dad used to make for me when I was a kid. Chipped beef on toast, and there was a really crass, inappropriate name for it. That might be regional, but it was SOS were the initials of the meal. So that's what this looks like, but this is a step above because it's beautiful prosciutto with cream cheese. So I'll show you a couple of these, and then I'll spare you the rest. We'll take a little break, and we'll pop them in the oven. So while I fill these mushrooms, you go grab a glass of water, take a break, whatever you need. I'll see you back here in just a minute, okay? Our stuffed mushrooms look great, and this looks much fancier and more difficult than it actually is. Super simple dish. We got butter, prosciutto, cream cheese, chives, lemon zest, tarragon. We've melted it all together. We stuffed our mushrooms. Oh, and don't forget the mushroom stems. And we stuffed our mushrooms with that concoction. It looks and smells wonderful. Now into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. So I'll see you when they come out. Now that's what I call an hors d'oeuvre. I wonder what you'd pay for this at a restaurant. I'll have the stuffed mushrooms, please. Here you are, sir.
Well, there are some restaurants.
We are right in the swing of Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. So for your New Year's party, we're right there, everybody. These are a great hors d'oeuvre for your guest. How great? Let's find out. They just came out of the oven. So if I burn myself, I'm going to pretend that I did not. What does that look good? What do you think? Looks great. But it's got a fuzz on it. Had to get rid of the fuzz. They do smell great. Mm-hmm. Oh boy, is that good. The prosciutto, the cream cheese. Oh my gosh. Umami is a fancy word. I hate to use it, but umami flavor, you know what I mean? Super, super savory and just delicious. How many could I eat? All of them. So this will be really popular for your New Year's party or your Christmas party. Wherever you need hors d'oeuvres, this one will fit the bill. So try our prosciutto stuffed mushrooms for your next event. Till next time, bye y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.